Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss revision assignment number 2, and this is the concept of comparing ordering numbers and forming numbers. For that, refer the textbook page number 17 to 23. Yeah, let's have a look on that. First one, the successor of the smallest 6-digit number is. They asked the successor. Successor means what we need to do? We need to add plus 1. Yeah, of the smallest 6-digit number. Yeah, what is the smallest 6-digit number? The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Here, successor, they have asked the successor of the 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 1, 1 lakh 1. Here, check that option where it is. This is the 1 lakh 2 and 1 lakh 1. What is the correct option? Option D. Next, what is the predecessor of the largest 6-digit number formed by the using the digits 2, 3, 5, 8, 6 and 1 and without repeating any digit. Here they have asked that predecessor. For what we need to find out largest 6-digit number. Here they given largest 6-digit number by using the digits 2, 3, 5, 8, 6 and 1. So we need to form a largest 6-digit number of this number. After that we need to do the find out the predecessor of that number. Here, yeah. So here what they given 2, 3, 5, 8, 6, 1. To find out the largest number, which order we need to use? Ascending order or descending order? For the largest number we are using the descending order, big to small. For the smallest number we are using ascending order, that is the smallest to biggest number. Here they have asked that largest number. So arrange these digits in descending order. So compare 2, 3, 5, 8, 6 and 1. What is the greatest digit? 8, 6, 5, 3, 2 and 1. Here what is the number we get that? 8,65,321. We got the 6 digits, right? Here they have asked without repeating. Without repeating we form the largest 6-digit number by using these digits. Now what we need to do? We need to find out the predecessor. They have asked that predecessor. So to write the predecessor, what we need to do? For the successor we are adding plus 1. For the predecessor, that is the just before number. For that what we need to do? We need to do the minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, for this number, do 8,65,321 minus 1. What is the answer? 1 minus 1 we get the 0 and 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8. What is the answer we get? 8,65,320. Where is that option? Check it. 8,65,320. Option D. Okay. Go with third sum. The smallest 4-digit number formed by using the digits 8, 5, 3 and 9 without repeating any digit. Here they asked that smallest 4-digit number formed by using, they given some digits. What is that? 8, 5, 3 and 9. To find out the smallest number, to form the smallest number, which order we need to use? We need to use the ascending order. We need to arrange those digits in ascending order. Let me arrange those. See, 8, 5, 3 and 9. Compare those digits and which is the smallest number? 3 and 5, 8, 9. What is the number we got? 3,589. Where it is? 3,589. Option C. Next, the predecessor of 3,28,518. Predecessor means what we need to do? Minus 1. So subtract minus 1. So here minus 1 means go with 1's place. 8 minus 1, 7. So what is the answer? 3,28,517. 3,28,517. Option A. Next, Ratan written on the board all 1-digit odd numbers. Here all 1-digit odd numbers. You already know the odd numbers. What is the smallest possible number he can form using these digits? Here they have asked that smallest possible numbers with all odd numbers. What are the odd numbers in one digit? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the one digit odd numbers. With these digits, we need to form the smallest number. For the smallest number, we need to arrange those digits in ascending order. Arrange this. This is already in ascending order only, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is the answer we get? 13,579. Check the option where it is. 13,579. Here it is. Option C. Next. Sixth one. 32,56,301 dash 32,56,300. Here option they given less than symbol, right, greater than symbol or equal to symbol or none of this. We need to keep that with suitable symbol for that. See, for that we need to compare the lakhs place first of all. Whenever we need to compare that, go through the greatest place of that number. Here greatest place is the greatest period is the lakhs period. So here 32 lakhs they given. Here also 32 only. Go with the thousands period. Here 56. Here also 56. Now compare the ones period. This is the 301. Here 300. Which is the greater number? Is 301. So which symbol we need to keep? Greater than symbol. So this one. Now see, 32,56,301 is greater than 32,56,300. The option is B. Next, identify the missing numbers. See, 48,321, 48,322. Next, what is the number? Consecutive numbers. 48,323. Next, 48,324, 48,325, 48,326. Now check these numbers. Where is the correct option? 48,325. It's wrong. Next 320 they given. 323. Yeah. 323, 324, 325, 326. What is the correct option? It is C. Next, eighth one. Which of the following has numbers in descending order? Descending order means big to small. Go through the options. 99,999 is greater than 9,99,999. So it's wrong. B. 99,999 greater than 99,990 and it is greater than 99,984 and it is greater than 99,975. Check it once. So what is the correct option here? B. The greatest number among the following is. So now compare A, B, C and D. Which is the greatest number? Here the periods up to 1,000 lakhs. Here also 1,000 lakhs, 1,000 lakhs, 1,000 lakhs. Now compare the lakhs period. Here it is 9, 6, 5, 9. So comparing to 9, 6, 5, which is the greatest one? 9. So option C and option D is wrong. Now compare A and D. Here lakhs place is same. So go with the thousands period. Here 65,000 and this one is the 53,000. Which is the greatest number? 65 or 53? 65. The correct option is A. Next. The smallest 5-digit number by using the digits 6, 9, 3 and 0 and 1. They are without repeat any digit. They already gave the 5 digits. We need to form the smallest 5-digit number by using those digits. What are the digits they gave? 6, 9, 3, 0 and 1. So smallest digit means we need to arrange those digits in ascending order, and if you keep 0 here means we get the only 4 digits. So we need to keep 0 in the second place. Now arrange 1, 0, 3, 6, 9. What is the answer we get? 10,369. Where is the option? Check it. 10,369. Option D. Hope it's clear. Thank you so much. Stay home and keep learning.